Overall, this table summarizes all the important features of the mammalian heart, along with their structures and functions, making it easier to learn and remember. Let's go through each component one by one. The right atrium is the upper right chamber of the heart that receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. Its main role is to pass this deoxygenated blood down to the right ventricle, the lower right chamber, which then pumps it to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. On the opposite side, the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins and passes it to the left ventricle, the lower left chamber with the thickest muscular wall, which pumps oxygen-rich blood at high pressure to the entire body through the aorta. The vena cava consists of the large superior and inferior veins that bring deoxygenated blood from the body into the right atrium, while the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs, and the aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body. The septum, a thick muscular wall, separates the right and left sides of the heart, keeping oxygenated and deoxygenated blood completely apart. Valves play a key role in maintaining one-way blood flow. The atrioventricular, AV, valves, tricuspid on the right and bicuspid or mitral on the left, prevent blood from flowing back into the atria when the ventricles contract. The semolina valves, located at the exits of the ventricles, pulmonary and aortic valves, stop blood from flowing back into the ventricles from the arteries. The heart muscle itself is made up of cardiac muscle tissue, forming the thick, strong muscular walls. The left ventricle has a particularly thick wall, allowing it to pump blood with enough force to reach the entire body. Additionally, the coronary arteries, branching off the aorta, supply the heart muscle with the oxygen and nutrients it needs to contract continuously and effectively. This table helps connect the structure of each part of the heart with its specific function, giving a complete overview of how the heart works to maintain blood circulation throughout the body.